History of artificial intelligence. Here, artificial intelligence is not new technology. It was there in the ancient time also. In the ancient time, we can see that mechanical measurements were there. They used to guard the place. Okay, all that was possible with the artificial intelligence only. So this mechanical means we could able to see in the ancient Greek, Egyptian myths and all. If you have studied the history there, we can see this mechanical means. Okay, that time only artificial intelligence was there. Okay. Now we'll discuss how artificial intelligence was developed. Okay, in the year 1943, Mc, uh, McLeod and Pitts, these are the two scientists in the year 1943. They have proposed a model of artificial neurons. Okay, that time artificial intelligence started. Artificial neurons they have proposed. And in the year 1949, Donald have demonstrated the updating rule for this neurons. They have given just neurons, no? So the connection between the neurons will be updated by using this Hebbian learning. So he has given some rules. So those rules are called Hebbian learning. This will be used to modify the connection between these artificial neurons that was introduced in the 1943. In 1950, Alan Turing, just now we have discussed, no, Alan Turing, he is a mathematician and a pioneer in machine learning in the year 1950. He's published an article called Computational Computing Machinery and Intelligence. This is the article he has published. Okay, so in this publication, he has proposed a test. So that test is used to check the machine intelligence. Okay, so that test is called Turing test. So in the 1950, Alan Turing introduced the Turing test. So if the machine passed this test, then we say that the machine is having the intelligence. In the year 1955, Alan Newell and Herbert Simon. So these have created the first artificial intelligence program. So this program is called Logic Theorist. Okay. So this is the program. It is used to solve the mathematical theorems. Okay. So this program is able to solve 38 out of 52 mathematical theorems. Okay. And whatever proof it has given, no, these proofs are more elegant and these found new also. The proofs whatever it is given is new, and it is found that it is these proofs are more elegant compared to the proofs whatever given before itself. Okay. In the 1956, the artificial intelligence, the name artificial intelligence is introduced by the scientist called John McCarthy. Okay, so that is why the John McCarthy is called father of artificial intelligence. He has introduced the name artificial intelligence. Okay, he has at that time the high-level languages like Fortran, LISP, COBOL were invented, and these programs are used to write the program in the artificial intelligence. Okay. In the year 1966, Joseph Winberg created the first chatbot. What is that name is called Eliza in the year 1966. Okay, so till that time there was no chatbot. Chatbot is first introduced in the year 1966. In 1972, first humanoid robot is built in Japan. What is the robot name is Robot. Robot 1 is the first humanoid robot that is built in Japan. Okay, and after 1972, from 1974 to 1980, there was no much development in AI. That is why it is called AI winter. Okay, where the governments and companies are not investing much money on AI, so that the research was not going on AI. Okay, so there was no much publicity in AI during that time, and the publicity of AI is also reduced because no much research during that time. In 1980, the expert systems are introduced. Okay, these expert systems are able to give the have the decision making ability of human. Okay, so and in 1980, again, first national conference on American Association of Artificial Intelligence was held at Stanford University. Okay, till then there was no conferences. Okay, so these conferences are used to conduct to know what is the development in AI, what are the new work is going on in AI and all. So it is very important to have conferences. Okay, so that is why in the year 1980, the first national conference was held at Stanford University. Again, 1987 to 1993, there was no much development. Again, there are no investors. The government stopped funding for AI projects. Okay, because AI projects are very costly that time. Okay, so that is why there is no much research during that time. Again, in 1997, IBM Deep Blue. This is IBM has created a mission called Deep Blue that is that beats the world's champion that time, Gary Kasparov. So Gary Kasparov is a world champion, chess champion. Okay, so IBM has created one mission called IBM Deep Blue. This mission has played with this Gary Kasparov, and it has beaten this Gary Kasparov, okay, in the chess. In the year 2002, the AI also introduced in home appliance. Okay, the first vacuum cleaner introduced with the AI technology. So what is the vacuum cleaner name is Roomba. Okay, it is a vacuum cleaner. So AI has used in home appliance also in the from the year 2002 onwards. Okay, in 2006, AI has introduced into business world also. The companies like Facebook, Twitter, Netflix are started using AI from 2006 onwards. And in the 2011, IBM Watson, it is IBM also again created one more AI system that is called Watson. Okay, it won Jeopardy. Jeopardy is a quiz show. Okay, so it has participated in Jeopardy. It is able to give solution to the complex questions. Okay, and it is able to understand whatever questions asked by the quiz person. It is able to understand properly, and it is able to give the answers for the tricky questions also. Okay, so that is it shows that this IBM Watson is having the intelligence, more intelligence. It is able to give the answers to the tricky questions. Okay. In the year 2012, Google launched an Android app called Google Now. So Google Now started in the year 2012. Okay. So it is able to give the information to the users and as a prediction. Okay. So in the year 2014, Chartbot. So one more Chartbot. It has a uh, cleared this Turing test. Okay, so that it says that it is having some intelligence. And the year 2018, IBM has designed one more system called Project Debater. It is a Project Debater system. So this participated in debate with the two master debaters, and this debater performed very well. Okay, in the year 2018. So Google has demonstrated AI program. Duplex is a AI program that is developed by Google. Okay, so which was a virtual assistant. This Duplex is a virtual assistant. It is able to take the appointment for hairdressers. Okay, so whenever the customer is calling this Duplex, the customer is not able to identify that whether it is speaking to the system or it is speaking to the customer care person. Okay, so like that, Duplex is giving the answers like human only. Okay, so with this, AI has developed into remarkable level, and because of this deep learning, big data, data science, and all, AI has increased. The applications of AI have increased nowadays more. Okay, so this is the history of AI.